Presently, I have graduated from YSR Engineering College of Yoga Vemana University in the stream of Computer Science with 7.7 CGPA. I have joined in the JSpiders in the month of May 2024 within the span of 3 months. Role of HDD XLR, and the Java was taught by Rashekar sir, and SQL was taught by Navya ma'am, and web technology was taught by Salman sir. And the teaching and the staff are very nice, and we can gain knowledge and experience, and skills are very good, and training was awesome. I have learnt a lot from JSpiders, and we should not lose confidence, and we should gain knowledge. We should never lose hope, and hope for the best.